Welcome to Beerstories from Beerstory Brewhouse. This video is about the benefits of fermenting under pressure. There are 5 big cons with fermenting under pressure. Number 1, you can purge your fermenter. So this is a huge benefit when dry hopping, so you won't oxidize any of your beer. And also other situations where you want to purge it. That's just cool. Number 2, you can actually cold crash the right way. If you cold crash a normal fermenter with an airlock, you'll get air sucked in, and that will actually oxidize your beer. You can prevent that. So I always cold crash in the keg or in the bottle normally, but with a pressure fermenter I can actually do it in the fermenter, just like the brewery does. Number 3, you can carb your beer during cold crash. That's just cool. Number 4, you can actually ferment your beer cleaner. The pressure will actually make the yeast create fewer esters, and that will make a cleaner beer. You don't always want that, but you can just ferment under lower pressure and then you will get more esters. So that's just cool, and you can use it if you want to in your recipe when creating your beer. Number 5, it will ferment faster. So that's also a benefit. And this is really important. You don't want to ferment with a higher pressure than 15 psi or 1 bar. That would actually hurt the yeast, and you can make it just you get a stock fermentation, or you can actually create off flavors as well. So don't use more than 15 psi or 1 bar, and you should be golden. So that was it. If you have any questions, write to me in the comments or elsewhere, Instagram, Facebook, or whatever. Have a happy brewing out there.